Hey guys, it's Friday night in the shop and I was doing a little work on the old Sequoia. I got the front lifted up 2.5 inches and now the back needs to come up a little higher. And so I got these spacers, these 1-inch spacers for the back, and that'll level it out. So you have to take the spring out and put these things in. But I can't get it up high enough off the ground to drop the rear end down far enough to drop the springs out of it. So what I was gonna do, I'm gonna take this chunk of wood and cut it in half with one of my chainsaws and then put it under those jack stands and see if I can get this thing up off the ground high enough. So let's go do that real quick. And I thought I would use the JK Saw Shop chainsaw. Move this axe. Get this bad boy out and use it to cut that in half. So, let's see if I can do it all in one trip. The things you gotta do. So I thought, whoa, this is the perfect blend. Chainsaws and cars. Using a chainsaw to work on a car, right? So, let's fire this beast up. I haven't started it in a while. I bet you she'll fire up. Let's see if she fires up. Oh yeah, she wants to go. Let her warm up for a minute. Make sure we don't hit these staples. We'll cut her right about here. Woo! Blasted right through that. That's an awesome little saw. Okay, now let's go see if we can get this thing up off the ground high enough to get them springs out. So we'll go back in here. One for this side. One for over here. I don't know why I do this to myself. The front was a pain in the ass. Yes, it is. Oh, yeah, let's see. We're gonna have to jack her up just a little higher. A little higher. Actually, quite a bit higher, because the other side was even lower. Hopefully this doesn't fall off the jack. Yeah, I'll put that one right there. Perfect. We'll put this one over here. See, I was gonna do this, but that looked pretty dangerous, so I needed a wider base. I'm always having to slow myself down because sometimes I get too big of a hurry. And then I end up doing something stupid. Okay, a little higher, a little higher. All this for just 1-inch spacers. Jeez. Ah, almost. A little more, a little more. If this falls off the jacks, Christina's gonna be pissed. Okay, so that looks pretty stable. Okay, coming down. Here she comes. You guys ready? I always hate this because sometimes it... Oh, there we go. Oh, 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 oh. Slowly, slowly. Let's check everything out here. Yep, yep. Looking stable. Yep, that's on there. Yep, yep. Okay, down she comes. Okay. Let's see if that's far enough. Yeah, they're loose in there. Whew. So yeah, that's my fun chore for tonight. Yeah, see, I got the shocks loose, sway bars loose. So she should come down far enough. Boy, those springs really stretch out. But anyways, that's my fun for tonight, guys. I just thought I'd do a quick video and show you how a chainsaw can help you work on your car. Okay, catch you guys later.